Invance weekly analysis. For USDINR, we can see it is currently forming a head and shoulder pattern. Right shoulder is in formation here, and we can see currently it's at a very strong demand zone. If it takes support, it could move up towards 74, facing resistance at 73.2, 73.45 and 73.75. If it breaks support near 72.75, it could move down to 72.5, 72.25 and 73. At the same time, we can see RSI here. It's hinting at a minor divergence, but it's too soon to say. Now, moving on to EUR. In weekly chart, we can see a low wick at support, and in daily chart, we can see a congestion zone between 88.2 and 89. And if it breaks, it will give us big movements. We can see a strong demand zone here near 85.8 and 86.8, and supply zone near 89.0 to 89.95. If it breaks upwards, we can see resistance at 89, 89.5 and 90.3. And in other direction, we can see support at 88.3, 87.8 and 87.4. Though if you go through EUR, not much downside is left, so it may go up only. Now let's move on to GBPINR. We can see a congestion zone here with flat top and a rising bottom. Future trend will be decided based on where it closes next to these two lines, and it's still stuck for the moment. We can see resistance at 100.2 to 100.3 and 101 and 101.6. Also, we can see support at 99.75, 99.4 and 99.0. If you go through GBP USD, you can see it's sideways, so it's time to wait patiently for the direction. Now moving on to our fourth currency pair, JPY, we can see that it broke from our previous analysis and hit all the previous targets we have discussed last week. From here, it may go to next demand zone below 69. Here support is present at 68.8, 69.2 and 69.45, whereas resistance could be seen at 69.9, 70.1 and 70.3. RSI is bearish here, though we can look in USD JPY. It has broken out and could go to supply zone near 105.5 and 106.5 to 107. Thank you everyone.